Best served with onion rings and ice cold soft drinks. This easy barbecue beef brisket sandwich is sure to be a snack, well enjoyed by everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to make it using widely available ingredients. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a Ziploc bag with Coke, place the beef brisket inside and let it marinate for 12 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. In a mixing bowl, add the salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. Stir to combine. Rub some liquid smoke on both sides of the beef, then rub on the dry spice mix next. Place on a wire rack in a roasting pan, cover with aluminum foil, and bake for 3 hours until the internal temperature reaches 180 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit and the meat easily falls apart when poked with a fork. Baste every hour if you're using a roasting pan. Once done, let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Then, slice the beef, put it in a mixing bowl with the barbecue sauce, and toss to coat. Set aside. Now slice the ciabatta bread in half, then brush it with some unsalted butter. Toast for 2 to 4 minutes until it turns golden brown on a preheated skillet or oven. Once done, place some lettuce and slices of Monterey Jack cheese on one half of the ciabatta. Add the beef, then place some red onion rings. Cover with the other half of the ciabatta, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.